How to make and create fashion cover Facebook on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now click on create a design right here, search for Facebook and click on Facebook cover option right here. It will take you to this page. Now scroll down right here until you find the fashion Facebook cover option. Click on see all and choose a template. Here you have many templates, for example this one, and you can change the text and everything just from here. As you can see, it's so easy to edit and so cool. As you can see, after you finish editing, click share and download. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.